My question is, how can one stay humble and continue to pray with the same sincerity and intensity after their prayers have been answered for something they've been deeply wanting, like a grad school admission?
If you understand and you know that your prayer has been accepted by Allah Ta'ala and you have been granted admission because of your prayer, not only because of your effort, then try to do more istighfar and bow before Allah and try to be more humble than before. So then always realize, keep it in mind that all these things you are getting through the blessing of Allah Ta'ala. And if it is in your heart and your mind that whatever you are gaining is because of Allah Ta'ala's blessing and because of your prayer and because of your humility and hard work, which has become fruitful because of the blessing of Allah Ta'ala, then you will remain humble all the time. How can I tell you? If you understand that whatever you gain, whatever you had is because of the blessing of Allah, then always keep in mind, so that Allah Ta'ala says that if you are grateful to me and thankful all the time that I have done this thing for you, so I will reward you more. Right? Let's keep it this mind. That's it. If we are humble, we shall get Allah's blessing more than before.
Exactly.
Okay?